Hello students, let's do some questions from the previous year's papers from the chapter vectors. Find magnitude of each of two vectors A and B. We have two vectors A and B having same magnitude. The magnitude of vector A is equals to magnitude of vector B such that the angle between them, let the angle between them is 60 degree. Let the angle between them is theta, which is 60 degree. And the scalar product. What is scalar product? Vector A dot vector B is given 9 by 2. What we have to find? We have to find the magnitude of A and B. Now, we have cos theta equals to vector A dot vector B upon A magnitude into B magnitude. What is the value of theta? 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is A dot B is 9 by 2 upon A magnitude is equals to B magnitude. We can write it here A magnitude into A magnitude. What is the value of cos 60 degree? 1 by 2 equals to 9 by 2 upon A magnitude ka whole square. Take this denominator on the left hand side. A magnitude whole square equals to 9 by 2 upon 1 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. A magnitude whole square is 9. What is magnitude of A? Root 9, which is equals to plus minus 3. But magnitude is always positive. Therefore, magnitude of A equals to magnitude of B equals to 3. This is our answer. Find the projection of vector 2i minus j plus k on I minus 2j plus k. Let we have vector A as 2i minus j plus k and vector B is I minus 2j plus k. We have to find the projection of vector A on vector B. What is the formula? Vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of B. This is projection of A on B. If you have to find projection of B on A, what will you do? Vector B dot vector A upon magnitude of A. Now, first we will find vector A dot vector B. 2i minus j plus k cap into I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. What is dot product? I dot I is 1. J dot j 1. K dot k 1. I dot j 0. J dot k 0. I dot k 0. 2i into I. I dot I is 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2i into minus 2j. I into j is 0. The whole term becomes 0. 2i into k. I into k is also 0. What we will do, easiest method is, we will multiply the components of I with I, j with j, k with k. 2 into 1, 2 plus minus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1. Here we have 2 into 1. We have multiplied components of I with I, j with j and k with k. Because I dot j is 0, I dot k is 0, similarly j dot I is 0. We have 2 plus 2 plus 1. This is 5. Now what is B magnitude? Root 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 1 square, that is root 6. Now the projection of vector A on vector B is A dot B, that is 5 by magnitude of B, 5 by root 6. But we don't write irrational number in denominator. If options are given, you have to see what answer is correct. 5 by root 6 can be written as root 6. We will rationalize it with root 6. We can write it as 5 root 6 upon 6. If option is given, you will check accordingly. Otherwise, you will write the answer as, if vector A is I plus 3j plus k, vector B 2i minus j minus k, and vector C is lambda. This is lambda I plus 7j plus 3k. These three vectors are coplanar. Find the value of lambda. If three vectors are coplanar, it means vector A dot vector B cross vector C is 0. Now what we will do? First we will find vector B cross vector C. I, J, K. Vector B, component of A is I is 2, minus 1, minus 1. Vector C, we have lambda, 7 and 3. What is B cross C? I into minus 1 into 3 minus 7 into minus 1 minus J 3 into 2 minus 1 into lambda plus K 7 into 2 minus 1 into lambda. We have I minus 3 plus 7 minus 6 plus lambda plus J 14 plus lambda K cap. This is P cross C. Now what we have to find? We have to find vector A dot B cross C. Vector A is I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap dot minus 3 plus 7, that is 4i minus 6 plus lambda j plus 14 plus lambda k. For dot product, we will multiply the component of I with I, 1 into 4, and this is equals to 0. A dot B cross C is 0 if three vectors are coplanar. We have 4 plus 3 into minus of 6 plus lambda plus 1 into 14 plus lambda, and this is equals to 0. We have 4 minus 18 minus 3 lambda plus 14 plus lambda is equals to 0. 14 plus 4, 18 minus 18 minus 2 lambda equals to 0, and lambda is equals to 0. This is the value of lambda. Write the vector of unit length which is perpendicular to both the vectors A and B. A vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors, this is vector A and this is vector B, which is perpendicular to both the vectors. Let this is vector C. This can be from here or this is minus. We have to find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors, vector A and vector B. Now, let vector C is the unit vector. We will write it as C cap. We have to find C cap, and which is equals to vector C upon magnitude of C. What is vector C? Vector A cross vector B. Vector A cross vector B is I cap, J cap, K cap, 2, 1, 2, 0, 1 and 1. We have I 1 minus 2 minus J 2 minus 0 plus K 2 minus 0. We have minus I cap minus 2 J cap plus 2 K cap. This is vector C. We have to find a unit vector of unit length. Magnitude of C is minus 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 2 square, that is 3. Magnitude is always positive. Therefore, a vector of unit length is C cap, vector C upon magnitude of C. This can be this vector or this vector. So our answer will be minus I minus 2j plus 2k cap upon 3. We can write it as minus 1 by 3 I cap minus 2 by 3 j cap plus 2 by 3 k cap. Since this vector of unit length can be this one or this one. Therefore, write plus sign below negative sign and negative sign below positive sign. These are the two vectors which are of unit length perpendicular to both vectors A and B. Find the angle between two vectors A and B having same length. Same length means the magnitude of vector A is equals to magnitude of vector B, and which is equals to root 2. And their vector product, that is vector A cross vector B. Vector product is minus I minus j plus k. What we have to find? We have to find the angle between these two vectors. Now we have sin theta equals to vector A cross vector B magnitude upon A magnitude into B magnitude. Sin theta equals to magnitude of A cross B root minus 1 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square upon A magnitude is root 2 into root 2. We have sin theta equals to minus 1 square is 1. We have 1 plus 1 root 3 by 2. Sin theta is root 3 by 2. What is the value of theta? Which value of sin is root 3 by 2? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. We can write it as theta as 60 degree or pi by 3 is the angle between these two vectors. If A cap, B cap and C cap are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, find the value of magnitude of 2A cap plus B cap plus C cap. A cap, B cap, C cap are unit vectors. It means magnitude of vector A is 1. A cap means magnitude of vector A is 1. Similarly, magnitude of vector B is also 1 and magnitude of vector C is also 1. All the three are unit vectors and they are perpendicular. Mutually perpendicular means vector A dot vector B is 0. If A is perpendicular to B, their dot product is 0. Vector B dot vector C is also 0 and vector C dot vector A is also 0. All of these are mutually perpendicular. Now we have to find the value of 2A plus B plus C. बच्चे वेक्टर A dot vector A is A के magnitude का whole square. What we will write? 2A cap plus B cap plus C cap dot 2A cap plus B cap plus C cap. A dot A is A के magnitude का whole square. This will be equals to 2A cap plus B cap plus C cap magnitude का whole square. Now dot product 2A cap into 2A cap. 2 into 2 4. A cap into A cap. A के magnitude का whole square. 2 into A cap into B cap plus 2 into A cap into dot C cap plus P cap into 2A cap plus B cap into B cap, which is equals to B cap magnitude का whole square plus B cap dot C cap plus C cap dot 2A cap plus C cap dot B cap plus C cap dot C cap. We have 2A cap plus B cap plus C cap magnitude का whole square equals to 4 into A cap के magnitude का whole square plus A dot B is 0. This is also 0. This term is 0. This is 0. This is also 0. B dot A is also 0. B dot B cap magnitude whole square. B dot C 0. C dot A 0. C dot B is 0. And C dot C is C cap magnitude का whole square. We have 4 into, what is the magnitude of A? 1. These are unit vectors. 4 into 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 6. What we have to find? 2A plus B cap plus C cap is root 6. The square is 6 and the value of 2a cap plus b cap plus c cap is root 6. Find a vector in the direction of vector A I minus 2j that has magnitude 7 units. We have vector A as I cap minus 2j cap. Now, we have to find a vector whose magnitude is 7 units. First, we will find A cap. A cap is vector A upon magnitude of vector A. A cap is that the magnitude of vector A will be equals to 1. Vector A is I minus 2j cap upon under root 1 square plus minus 2 square. This is equals to vector I cap minus 2j cap upon root 5. Now, the required vector with the magnitude 7 is 7 into 1 by root 5 I cap minus 2 by root 5 j cap. We can write it as 7 inside 7 by root 5 I cap minus 14 by root 5 j cap. Write direction ratios of vector 3a plus 2b, where vector A is I plus j minus 2k and vector B is 2i minus 4j plus 5k. We have to find 3 into vector A plus 2 into vector B. We have 3 into vector A is I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap plus 2 times vector B is 2i cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap. 3 into I, 3i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap plus 4i cap minus 8j cap plus 10k cap. 3i cap and 4i cap. We have 7i cap plus 3j cap minus 8j cap. We have minus 5j cap minus 6k cap plus 10k cap. 4k cap is the vector. What we have to find? We have to find the direction ratios. Direction ratios of this vector will be 7 component of I minus 5 component of j and 4 component of k. This is our answer. If vector A and B are such that magnitude of A is 3, magnitude of vector B is 2 by 3 and vector A cross vector B is a unit vector. What does this mean? The magnitude of vector A cross vector B is 1 because it is a unit vector. We have to find the angle between A and B. We have sin theta equals to vector A cross vector B magnitude upon vector A magnitude into vector B magnitude. What is sin theta? Magnitude of A cross B is 1 upon magnitude of A is 3 and magnitude of B is 2 by 3. We have sin theta is equals to 1 by 2. Which value of sin is 1 by 2? Theta is 30 degree or pi by 6. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Write the unit vector in the direction of sum of two vectors, vector A and vector B. Now, let we have vector C is equals to vector A plus vector B. What we have to find? We have to find the unit vector. It means we have to find C cap. And what is C cap? Vector C upon magnitude of vector C. Now, first we will find vector C, which is equals to vector A plus vector B, that is 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 5k cap plus 2i cap plus j cap minus 7k cap. 2i cap plus 2i cap, 4i cap plus 2j cap plus 1k cap plus 2j cap plus j cap, 3j cap minus 5k cap and minus का 7k cap minus 12k cap. Magnitude of C is 4 whole square plus 3 whole square plus minus 12 whole square and whole under root, that is 4 square 16 plus 9 plus 144. We have root 169 and which is equals to 13. We will take only positive value because magnitude is always positive. Now we have C cap is equals to 4I cap plus 3J cap minus 12K cap upon 13. You will write it as 4 by 13 I cap plus 3 by 13 J cap minus 12 by 13 K cap. This is the unit vector in the direction of sum of vector A and vector B.